Yes.
Wouldn't you yearn for a bowl of hot soup during cold weather?
Yes, especially during the winter. It's very cold.
I'm going to teach you a very simple and quick egg soup.
Alright.
First, I would like to teach you how to marinate the meat. We're going to put in 1 chicken drumstick. Okay, I need 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Again, the pepper, about 1/4. Okay, and half teaspoon of corn flour.
What's the corn flour for?
This is to make the chicken tender, because if you're going to cook it like this, it will be very tough. Okay, and a dash of the sesame seed oil to give it some flavor, a nutty flavor. We're going to season it for at least half an hour.
Half an hour? That's kind of short, right? For the flavor be able to...
Yes, it's just season it to give it some flavor, to make the chicken tender.
Right.
Okay. Now I need 2 eggs. Can you help me to break 2 eggs for me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. I have 1 bowl of chicken drumstick already seasoned for half an hour. Now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of oil.
It's to fry the chicken?
No, it's to fry the egg.
Oh, okay.
We're going to fry the egg first. So we're going to put in the egg that you have cracked just now. Fry the egg.
Do we make it a bullseye or omelette? How do we fry the egg?
We just cook it until it's set. Whichever way you do it is okay. Well, if you like some pepper, you can actually add in some pepper into the egg.
Okay. For this, what kind of heat we use? High heat?
Medium heat. Medium heat. So if you like, you put in a dash of pepper into your egg before it sets.
Need some salt?
No, because we're going to flavor it with the chicken stock granulars afterwards. If you put in salt, it will be
too salty.
Too salty. Now the egg is almost setting, so we're going to flip it first. Okay.
How do we know when the egg is ready?
When it has a slight aroma, then we put in the chicken to fry. Okay. Can you smell it?
Yeah, it smells very nice.
Okay, we're going to add in the chicken. I'm going to fry it for a while. To cook till it's aromatic, till the fragrance come out.
Do we cook it until it's fully cooked? Or?
No, because we're going to simmer it. We're going to add in 500 ml of water. Now, can you please pour it for me? Okay. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of this chicken stock granulars, which Chef Mulut is going to elaborate on it.
Hi again. Thank you very much, Miss Lee. So, soup, it sounds like something that you need to put an effort to do, but then again, with the preparation method that Miss Lee has shown you earlier, with all the fresh ingredients available around you, so you can easily make soup. But what else can you add into your soup? Okay, this is Maggi granulated chicken stock. Okay, it comes in granules, so it can be used in your soup. It can also be used in your stir fry, or you can add on it into any of your whatever dish that you want to make at your place. So this is a very good product. So how it looks like? Very easy. It is in granules, so you can pour, you can scoop out, or maybe you can use your fingers stir fry with your friends coming over the weekend, right?
This gives it flavor, is it?
Yes, it is the flavor. So we're going to simmer it, bring it to a boil, and simmer it for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, while the soup is cooking, I would like to teach you how to choose egg.
Oh, okay.
Look for eggs
when
that is clear, no cracks, clean. And it's good to look at the date on the package. Make sure it's about 2 to 3 weeks before the expiry date to ensure freshness. And then when you want to store it in the fridge, keep this all inside. No need to take it out.
Oh, because some fridges have that casing for the eggs.
Yes, but it keeps better. Whether it's paper towel or polystyrene or this is a plastic container, it keeps better. The freshness will be retained. And make sure you keep it away from those strong flavored foods.
Oh, why?
Because egg the shell is porous, they will absorb the flavor of other food.
How about when we crack it? Does the color tell us anything?
No, whether it's brown color, white color, the egg is just as good.
Oh, okay.
After boiling for 10 minutes, I'm going to off the flame. The soup is ready.
Smells good.
You want to try?
Yeah, alright. Perfect for winter day. Delicious.
I'm going to dish out this soup. Yeah, I'm going to add in a bit of spring onions and a dash of sesame seed oil.
Do we put the spaghetti in the soup or?
No, we just eat it with this. So we're going to serve soup with spaghetti.